How to tell if the cake is undercooked in the middle.
Hello, fellow baking enthusiasts. Today we're delving into a common baking conundrum: how to tell if a cake is undercooked in the middle. This is a crucial skill that ensures your cakes are as delicious and well-baked as they deserve to be. So, let's jump right in.
Why does proper cooking matter?
First, let's answer the question: why does it matter if the cake is undercooked? Well, an undercooked cake can ruin the whole dessert experience. It will be gummy, doughy, and potentially unsafe to eat, especially if it contains eggs. Plus, it can collapse after removal from the oven.
The toothpick test.
The most common method to check if a cake is cooked is the toothpick test. Insert a toothpick or a thin skewer into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean or with a few dry crumbs, your cake is done. However, if you see wet batter on the toothpick, it needs more time in the oven.
The press test.
Another effective way to check your cake's doneness is the press test. Gently press the center of the cake with your finger. If it springs back, it's done. If it remains indented, it's not ready yet.
Observing the cake.
Sometimes, it's all about observation. As a cake cooks, it starts to pull away from the sides of the pan. Also, it should have a uniform color and a slightly domed top. An undercooked cake might look perfectly fine on the outside, but it will usually have a noticeably wet and undercooked area in the middle.
Using a cake thermometer.
If you're still unsure, use a cake thermometer. It can accurately determine if your cake is fully cooked. Inserted in the center of the cake, it should read around 210 degrees Fahrenheit, 99 degrees Celsius, for a fully baked cake. And that's a wrap on determining if your cake is undercooked. With these methods in your baking arsenal, you're sure to bake perfect cakes every time. Always remember, it's better to slightly overcook than undercook your cake. Happy baking, and may your cakes always be delicious and fully cooked.